Hello beautiful people, greetings to you all. Today again I share with you how to make a large commercial kitchen for personal consumption and how to do the packaging also. If this is what you are interested to see, make yourself comfortable. Remember to share the video. Let it be a blessing to other people also. After this video, you can start your own business if this is what you are interested. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to introduce them to you one after the other. I will also be leaving every ingredient used in my description box so that when you are making yours, it will make life easy for you. Feel free to ask your question. So this is the margarine with salt I'm going to be using. So here is the egg needed. Use any liquid milk of your choice. Here is a baking powder that I'm going to be using. So here is the salt. So this is a sugar, nutmeg. Making this kind of large chin-chin that is more than a kilo, 1,000 grams, is advisable you use a big bowl. So I'm going to be mixing it 2 kilo each in order to be easier for me. But if you are using a mixer, if you have, you can mix more than 2 kilo. You can go ahead and sieve it, but on this video, because I'm in it, I didn't sieve it. But it's advisable you sieve it. So I use 3 eggs. So this is the sugar. Margarine with salt. A little bit of salt and a nutmeg. So this is the liquid milk and water I'm going to be using when the time comes. Wash your hand thoroughly. While you use your fingertips to rub it until it is well mixed. I will start with the milk. I'm using a medium cup of milk. So I will start adding my water bit by bit. If you want to have a crunching chin-chin, make sure your water is bit by bit. If it's too liquid, for you to correct it, it's like you have already missed it. That is why it's advisable you add your water bit by bit. Especially those that might like to go into a business on it. If you have any question, feel free to let me know. I will answer you in order for you to be successful on it. This is one of the business you can go into and you can never run at loss. People love to eat it, especially when it's well prepared. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful, amazing. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate you guys. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be forced to be notified. And if you have not turned your notification bell, please go ahead and do so. At this point, I have started preheating my oil. So I mixed 2 kilo at first. So I will mix like 6 kilo. Then I will start frying. Before I will finish that, every other one will be done. Sometimes when I am doing a large one like this, I normally have a helping hand in order to make it easier and to make it fast. And there are so many other methods outside the one you are going to see on this video that I do, the way I do package it. Maybe in another video I will be sharing that with you also, especially those that want to go into commercials on it. So I have started frying. I am going to repeat this frying process again and again and again. If you are making it for commercial, make sure you use a large pot for frying. So here is it, guys. It has already cooled down. So I will start with the packaging. The packaging goes a long way. Once your chicken cooled down, like 3 hours after frying, you touch it and you see that it has already cooled down. You must not leave it to the other day to avoid hair entering it. If you want your chicken to be very crunchy, make sure once it cooled down, do the packaging. That is one of the secret also. So I will be using a zip bag like this, and I will also be using the little one that you are also going to be seeing, and they are for different prices also. So the ingredients I use on this video, I will be leaving it in my description box. So if there is any area that is not clear to you, feel free to let me know in my description box. Whenever I see a questions from my chin, because I know that some people would love to use it for business, I always do my best to make sure I reply. And for my previous video of how to make commercial chin, I have so many videos of chin for especially for those that want to use it for commercial. I believe I have answered almost all the questions people have asked. If there is anyone that I have not asked, maybe he escaped me. And if you have any question that is not still clear to you, that you want to know, or maybe you have a challenge making your chin and you watch this video and you think the challenge have not yet solved and you still need more explanation, feel free to drop it in my description box. And if it's necessary for me to even give you number to explain it in detail for you, I will do so. Okay, the help you will do for me, make sure you subscribe. If this video will be a blessing to you, you have learned anything good on this video, at least just encourage somebody who have stand up to do this by your like, your subscribing, share. Let it be a blessing to others. It's really allowed to share. Okay, so if you have watched up to this point, in fact you are a proud to this family. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you and see you soon.